Affiliate marketing rules.
So you have been wanting to get into affiliate marketing, and want to know the rules. You have your website and/or blog all set up and ready to go. You have chosen your niche and market that you want to promote and make money off of. You just need links to start making money. Promoting others' services and products is not something that is difficult to do. However, you will find that with all of the many companies that offer affiliate programs and referral options, they all have their own rules that you must follow. Affiliate marketing is pretty easy to follow, that is, unless you have many different programs that you are a part of. When you start getting so many that you cannot remember the rules, or the guidelines that you have to follow, you might have a problem. This is because the rules for affiliate programs are as different as the companies. Each company is allowed to make their own rules. However, you might see many similarities. That does not mean that they are copying one another, or cloning their affiliate program, so to speak, but yet it means that they have the same rules. Affiliate marketing rules can be so very different. They can range from not mentioning the brand names that they sell anywhere on your website, to not have that particular market in your website URL. Because they are so different for each program and company that you promote, you are going to have to be sure that you read each one well and make sure that you understand it fully. If you already have your URL for your website, you may not be able to participate in some of the affiliate programs. This is because you will not meet the requirements for the rules. Another rule that you are going to see often when you are into affiliate marketing is the PageRank rule. Some of the companies that will allow you to promote their services or products will not want you to have a higher page rank than they do. Nor will they allow you to have a website that is higher in the search engine rankings. For example, if you were promoting coffee, and you wanted to become an affiliate for Folgers Coffee, your website would not be able to come up above the official Folgers Coffee website in the search engine results when coffee, or Folgers Coffee is used as the search term. The companies that have this rule in place for their affiliate marketing programs feel as if your website were higher than theirs for the product that they are selling, that it would hurt their business tremendously. And it just might. They would rather have the straight sales any day than the commission sales. Who wouldn't? Keeping a spreadsheet of the affiliate marketing programs that you are a part of and their rules is a great idea. This way you are never confused and know just where you need to stand to be a part of that program. This is the best thing that you can do for your affiliate marketing business. Not only that, you will also find that some of the sites that have broken rules and have been caught have resulted in lawsuits. Cover your tracks and make sure that you are following the rules that are set by that company for the best results. You will also find that there is a thing that is called affiliate marketing software. If you can find a program that fits your needs and will help you keep everything straight, you may not have to worry about keeping track of them yourself. Use your software to keep track and make sure that you are doing your affiliate marketing the right way. Your efforts will pay off eventually, and you will be glad that you went by the book and followed the necessary affiliate marketing rules.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.